Can I get that ear speculum that's in the tray there? Yep. Thank you. All right, let's take a look. Okay, turn away from me a little bit more. Okay, that's in there pretty tight.
Yeah.
All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna just gently try and move this around.
Oh, God.
Until we can get it to move out, okay? But you definitely will be feeling it move. It's big enough that there's no way it's gonna come out of there without you feeling it move around in your ear canal, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Understood?
Yeah.
And hopefully this will just roll right out.
Yeah, I figured you'd see Legos in here all the time.
Doing alright?
No, it hurts.
Right there when I pull?
Yeah. I'm not playing with Legos near my ear anymore.
Roll this side out here.
Yeah, you are.
We can just change the orientation on it. We can probably grab it.
Looks like it's moving.
Hold there, hold there.
As still as you can.
Can you pause for a minute?
Sure. Okay. Here it comes. A little bit of noise. Let me get this lip out on this side.
Ow.
You're being super to get it to manipulate it to where I can actually grab it.
Okay.
So I'll leave that decision up to you guys. I can try it here for a little more, but
No.
as you can see, it hasn't. As you can see, it's not.
Yeah, it really hasn't done anything.
Please,
moved.
no.
So if that's what you want to do, it's easy enough. You get you set up.
Well, it's got to come out, and I don't see that happening with him awake either.
Okay. All right. Hello, everyone. This is Dr. J. As you can see here, we've switched from the microscope in the office to an endoscope with the patient now under anesthesia. My heart really went out to this 11-year-old boy and his family. He was very brave to allow me to attempt to remove this in the office, but it was just too much for him to take, and we elected to take him to the operating room so that we could do it in a fashion that was not uncomfortable for him. As you see here, it's wedged in there pretty tight. I use my right angle again to see if I can manipulate it into a position that we can then remove it. And every time I approach it, it tends to rock it and pivot so that the deeper portion of it is coming in contact with the curvature of the ear canal deep next to the eardrum. And I struggled here for a while, and eventually I can see that this isn't going to work and we're going to have to use a different instrument. Here I'm taking some cupped forceps and seeing if I can just get a grip on it. I know that if I can just get a hold of it, I can remove it fairly easily, but we had to work through a couple different instruments before we found one that actually worked well for this particular foreign body. As you see here, this is a rosin hook or a rosin needle, very sharp tip, very rigid instrument, and it was able to get into the surface just enough that we were finally able to get it to move out of the ear canal. being very careful here as we progress it out of the ear canal to not create any damage to the skin of the canal. Try not to lacerate the ear canal, make any abrasions that would, number one, make the patient uncomfortable, number two, precipitate an external canal infection. And there's the foreign body, a cone-shaped jewel, finally out of the ear canal. As we go back in, we can see that the canal was relatively undamaged, and the patient slept through the whole process. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.